Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on this laptop. First, you have to right-click the display and select Set Wallpaper and Style, and then before you set a new wallpaper for your device, you can enable or disable accenting colors. If you switch this toggle to the left, you will disable this feature, and then you can select one of the default colors to accent, and if you switch it to the right, you can select the color palette to accent. You can also set dark, light or autumn modes for your background, and once you're ready to change your wallpaper, go right here and then either select one of the default wallpapers that you can see right here, categorized into different categories, or you can choose your own photos by clicking Google Photos and selecting the photo from your library. You can also go to albums and search for more photos. And once you select the photo that you want to be your wallpaper, for example, let's select this one. Let's wait for a bit because this requires our device to be connected to the internet. Okay, and once the wallpaper is selected, it will be automatically applied on your computer. And you can select Change Daily in order to change this wallpaper every day to each one you see on the list. You can refresh it manually by clicking right here, and wallpaper will change. Unfortunately, I have a weak internet connection, therefore everything happens so slow. Let's wait. Okay, and so basically that's how you change wallpaper on your computer. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.